everyone, Jason with you up in the cockpit here of 23 Mike Zulu. I just finished my pre-maneuver checklist, and I'm going to be showing you, for some of you, you've seen this technique, it might be a great reminder. For some of you, this might be your first time seeing this video or an MzeroA.com video. I'm going to show you my best steep turn trick. Remember, in steep turns, the load factor we're imposing on that airplane. Remember what we're doing to our vertical and our horizontal components of lift, right? We need some sort of, we need a way to increase that as we go through. So I'm going to show you how to use a trim as a part of our technique. So we're going to get the airplane all configured here. Like I said, my pre-maneuver checklist is set. And one thing you want to strive for, this is a visual maneuver. I want you looking outside of the airplane, right? Now eventually you're going to do it under the foggles and other things, but I want you looking outside of the airplane. So I picked a great point. I actually have some smoke out here in front of me. I don't know if you can see that. Some smoke out here that I'm going to use, a fire out there that I'm going to use as my point. It's about a 165 kind of heading as well. I've got my altitude here. I'm going to look to hold 3,500 feet here. I've got everything set, maneuvering speed, everything else is all looking good here. Throttle set. Verify I'm clear to the left. I'm going to roll in my turn to the left. We're going to do private pilot ACS steep turns, 45 degrees of bank. I'm going to take the trim for 3 rolls. 1, 2, 3 complete rolls, and I'm going to let go of the controls. My hands are right here. All right? We're coming through. Look at my altimeter right here. We're coming on through. Look at how my nose is just slicing across the horizon here. My altitude hasn't budged. We're coming on through, right? Watching my heading. Wait for that smoke. I haven't touched the yoke a bit. We're coming right on through. Slice that nose across the horizon. Here comes my smoke again. Look at the altimeter here. I have to push forward just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. I take out those holes and trim. There's my wake that I hit, and I'm looking straight ahead, heading right towards that smoke. Now let's do it to the right. To the right now, we're kind of working, to put in plain English, against the grain of the propeller. I need to give it 4 rolls in this case. I roll first, so I roll into my turn. I set it where I need it, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 new rolls. That's not 4 additional rolls. That's 4 new rolls in this case here. And we just let it, same thing, coming on around, working its way on through. Coming on, looking good, slicing that nose across the horizon. Maintain, look at my vertical speed indicator here, right? Oh, a little bit of a sink now, it's fixing for that. I can make these tiny little corrections. There we go, coming on through, looking great. Coming on through, there's my smoke. I stop that there. I have to push forward on the yoke just a little bit here, and I take out my trim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using a trim to benefit you in the airplane. Trust me, I still want you to know how to hand fly the airplane. I still want you to hand fly steep turns and work your way on through them. I just want to give you something else to add to your flight bag of tricks. Maybe you do one with trim, maybe you hand fly the other. But the thing to remember is, if this isn't a substitute, this isn't just give it 3 rolls and just sit back, right? We still have to fly the airplane. We still have to look outside, slice that nose across the horizon, and burn that sight picture into your brain. When you figure out what holds level flight for you, whatever it may be, work and burn that sight picture into your brain with that. It's just going to be so great moving forward through private, instrument, commercial, whatever certificates you continue on to pursue. So listen, I can't wait to read your comments below this video on Facebook, on YouTube, on MzeroA.com. Enjoy the rest of your day, and most importantly, remember, a good pilot is always learning. Have a great day, guys. We'll see ya.
Pass your check ride or I'll pay for it. Join our #1 rated online ground school and participate in live mock check rides and interactive written test prep. Visit groundschoolacademy.com to learn more.